Hello everyone and welcome to LTspice tutorials. Those of you who often simulate electrical circuits in LTspice tutorials and generate graphs must be annoyed by the fact that the thickness of lines is sometimes too small. Let's explain how to change the thickness. To change the thickness, find the tools and then over here under tools find settings. Here in settings you need to click on waveforms and here you need to find data trace width. So let's, for example, return to the default value, and if I press OK, you can see how thin the lines are. So let's now change the width. So again, Tools, go Settings, and over here change, for example, to 6 or 5 or something similar. And you can see how nicely you can see the lines now. You also have another option over here, namely if you go Tools, Settings, you can also change the cursor width. So you can go, for example, 3, and if you press here, and if you now do the right click and click on Place Cursor on the line, you'll see that the thickness of the cursor is also much better and more readable. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video tutorial.